Hi everyone, I'm Amie, the fitness coach at Asian Fitness Network. I'm a medical exercise specialist, fitness nutrition specialist, and master rehab trainer. I'm here today to bring you through some exercises to work on your back, chest, arms, and shoulders at home. Today's workout is targeting our chest, back, biceps, triceps, and shoulders. If you have been wanting a sexy back and toned arms, this workout is perfect for you. Today's exercises is challenging. I will show you multiple options for you to do it progressively at any time, anywhere. We will start today's workout with a warm-up, followed by 6 upper body focused exercises, which can be quite intense. Alright, let's get started. We will begin with an active warm-up. Circle your arms forward for 10 repetitions. Then circle backward for 10 repetitions. Next, open up your arms to stretch your chest, followed by rounding your back to stretch your back. Repeat for 10 repetitions. Then stretch your shoulders while gently rotating your spine. We'll be doing 10 repetitions for each side. Lastly, stretch your triceps and bend your body to the side and stretch your legs at the same time. You will have to hold the stretch for about 10 seconds. Then change side and repeat for 2 sets. Our first main exercise is a single arm curl, row, and reverse flies, targeting our upper back and biceps. Start in all 4 positions. Make sure your shoulder and wrists are in line and your hips and knees are in line too. Start with your right arm with an arm curl by contracting your biceps, followed by a back row and squeeze your upper back. Then end with a reverse fly, still squeezing your upper back. That's 1 repetition. Let's do 15 to 20 repetitions. Once you are done, switch side. The purpose of this exercise is to activate your upper back muscles and biceps, so make sure you squeeze it really tight. Now you will need a bath towel. Yes, you heard it right. We are going to do back rows with a towel. Roll up the towel, put 1 foot at the middle of the towel, then hold both ends with your hands. Roll your arms to the back and squeeze your upper back. Your leg shall create some resistance. Once you have completed 15 repetitions on one leg, switch to the other leg and repeat. If you find these too challenging to balance yourself, you can try leaning against the wall. While still maintaining the position from the back row, we will continue with a hammer curl by using your leg to create some resistance. Use your core strength to maintain your balance throughout the exercise. We'll be doing 15 curls. Again, if you find this too difficult to balance yourself, try leaning against the wall. Next, we are going to do triceps dip on a chair. First, sit at the edge of the chair with both your hands close to the sides of the chair. Then extend your legs forward. Roll your shoulder to the back and lift your body away from the chair. Bend your arms to lower your body with your elbows, pointing to the back. Then push yourself up without locking your elbows. If you are a beginner to this exercise, bring your legs closer by bending your knees at about 90 degrees to reduce the intensity. Now we are moving on to side lying single arm push-up to work on our shoulders and triceps. while activating our upper back with isometric contraction. First, lie down sideways. Then, wrap around your body using the arm closest to the floor. Push yourself up with the other arm. Let's do 15 repetitions each side. This exercise can be quite challenging, so take your time to practice and never rush through this exercise. You can also do this exercise on the wall for a lower intensity. Our last exercise will be some push-ups. Place both your hands wider than shoulder width and parallel with your chest level. For better alignment, turn your palms inwards slightly. Now bend both your arms to lower your body and push up. Always maintain a neutral spine position and do not arch or round your back. For beginners, you can drop your knees to lower the intensity. And that completes today's workout. I recommend doing this 2 to 3 times a week for a sexier back and toner arms. If you have any questions for me, please feel free to reach me at amie.fitcoach on Instagram. For the full article about today's workout and more videos like this, head to asianfitnessnetwork.com. I'll see you again.